G'day, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Raywat. That was terrible. That was a terrible Australian accent. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Part 2. Part 2. Look at that. Alright. Just like part 1. 10 packs. 5 tins. Hopefully we can get something good. Part 1. I think we got pretty good things. A couple of shiny Pokemon. Got a random Decidueye that came out of nowhere. Only part 1 watchers will know what that means. Haha. Wait, is that JoJo's reference? Alright. Well, in part 1, I opened up... Mom, are you serious? Mom, can you please do this another time? I am filming myself opening some Japanese children's playing card games. Anyways, this time, we're gonna open them on the go. I gave each and every one of them a little poke. And, oh yeah. Alright, Celebi up first. I'm gonna have fun cleaning out my room after this. Another one. Alright, the little Celebi card. You already saw that. Did you? Have you watched my last video? I should probably ask my mother to keep it down. I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I politely asked my mother, if she can keep it down. She was fine with it. That's cool. Alright. Let's open up some packs. Oh look, a coughing. That was me in part 1. I was coughing a lot. Some of you guys might know why. Again, watch part 1, please. Alright. Fire! That was a Falco reference. Was it Falco? Or was it Fox? I don't know, what was 1 and 2? Yanma. And Rillaboom, hey! An actual different holo for once. I was not expecting that. But I appreciate it. Just, can you hear the breeze? Not like the breeze, isn't like... I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I closed the window. Now it's just you, me, and this pack. That was weird. Don't call the cops, please. I'm in a terrible position. I still can't say the word. Position, whatever. Alright, Ball Guy, Tropius, Morpeko, Choodle, Rowlet, Trapinch, Coughing. Hey, that was me in the first video. Ooh! Oh, I nearly said so far-fetched. God damn it, Max. Surfetched. Shiny Furfetch. Pretty cool. Alright, and... hey, look at that. Cinderace VMAX. It's doing that, the V pose. Only JoJo fans will get that. Alright, give me a second, I'm just gonna... sleeve up the Cinderace. Really pretty card though, look at that. Good art. Alright, good art. And I'll quickly... I don't know if you guys can hear the sink going on and off. We have like a water generator in our house, and it is very loud. Alright, here's the Surfetched and the sleeve. I can barely breathe right now because of a specific pose I'm in. Specific. I can't... Specific. What's wrong with me? Oh, what's this? I'm coughing. You get it? Coughing because of what I did in video 1, what I did in part 1. Alright then, alright, I'll stop, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I just wish to tell you that I filmed part 1. Part 1 exists. Please do not skip on part 1. Another one. The Kyogre card, Charizard. Come on. Don't taunt me. Don't taunt me. I swear. Alright, Corviknight, the big metal bird. And when I say big, I mean it. He is big. He's a big bird. Like Big Bird, you know? Like the Sesame Street character. Golly. What a childhood I had. Alright, a Leaf Energy. Rotom. Rusted Shield. Tropius, Yanma. Here is Eevee. Morpeko. Yanma. Didn't we already have a Yanma? What? Why? Whatever. Alright, Choodle. Hey, a Cinccino, look at that. It looks kind of similar to like the normal Cinccino, but you know, a shiny is a shiny. Dreadnought. I am sick and tired of seeing Dreadnought. Please, give me someone else. Someone that is not Dreadnought. I have like 10 of these now. Probably even more. Alright, Cinccino. You like to be clean, right? I'm pretty sure that's the thing it does in like Pokemon. It likes to clean itself. Well, I'm sure you'll be very clean in the sleeve. Your edges will also be safe. You won't take any damage. I hope. Buy sleeves, people. Remember to always buy sleeves. I'm not being sponsored by sleeves. I'd like to. That'd be pretty cool. I'm just telling you to go buy sleeves before you ruin the price of a card. Alright then. Lightning Energy. Gym Trainer. Tropius. Team Yell Tau. Morpeko. Yanma. Horsey. Shinx. Spinarak. Another one. This is my, what? Third Yveltal? That's okay. I'll take it. And Volcanion. Thank God it was not a Dreadnought, or else that would have been pretty lame. That would have been a very lame moment. Okay, I'll stop talking. Sleeve, card, just like that. Alright then, I'll just move these cards away. We'll head over to the next 10. Come here, Manaphy. Alright. Let me see if I can just... Oh, it's like taking off your sock after school. Very satisfying. Alright then. Ooh, look at that. A double Dragapult 10. Oh, 2 Dragapult cards. Is this an omen? Is this an omen? Will we pull a Dragapult? Hopefully a Dragapult VMAX, if there is one. I don't know. This set has way too many cards for my liking. Then again, you know, the chances of pulling like a shiny card is pretty good. Master Shield, Tropius, Ball Guy, Trapinch, Yanma, Buizel, Grookey, Qfant, Coughing, and people who have seen part 1 might know why I'm not very happy. Alright, sleeve, card. There. Heck, I'm more happy for the coughing, if anything. So I can make more part 1 jokes. Dragapult. Pack. Yes. Alright, let's take them out. Pull out the code. These codes belong to me. I play the online game. Do you play the online game? If so, what deck do you play? I swear, if you say Single Strike or Rapid Strike, I will not be happy, because those decks are painful to play against. They're annoying, I tell you. Wow, look at that. Indeedee V. Shiny. Alright, next card. Hey, Professor Research. Alright, then just grab the sleeve. I swear my parents are arguing in the background. They better not get like a divorce or something, or else they'll be bad. Indeedy, sleeve. You know what I'm gonna do? No, that was terrible. Alright, that was a bit better. I like making that noise. It's fun. It's a fun little noise. Oh, sorry. I have the coughs. Alright, Reshiram, woohoo! I swear if we get another Mewtwo, please give me my cards. Come on, come on. There we go. Come on, pal. Right. Alright, cool. I don't know why I'm getting so mad. I don't even care about coins that much. I do collect them, but... Wolven. Big Metal Breadfest. I do collect the coins. Oh, this one's a little hard to get into. Now, give me my cards. Specifically, shiny Pokemon cards. Let me just move a few things away. It's kind of hard to feel right now. Alright. What even? What? I swear, like, this is like the... Why couldn't that have been like a shiny instead, huh? An extra free shiny Pokemon. Hey, Snom, I'll take Snom though. Eevee, Eldegoss, oh, look at that. Shiny Eldegoss. Very epic. Next card. Yay. But thanks for the free energy. I appreciate that. You know, like free fighting type energy. You know? I'm pretty sure Elgrass energy was like the normal energy that we got. Now imagine if that happened, but instead it was like a shiny Pokemon or something. Alright. I won't make the noise this time. Eldegoss, sleeve. That's it. We're getting a pretty decent amount of shiny Pokemon this time. Again, part 1, we had something else that was pretty cool. Something that has to do with flowers. A full art flower of some sorts. Wait, what was the code backwards? Alright, 4 cards. Well, yeah. I'm way too tired. Chunel, Smerak, Cufant, Gossifleur, Snom, Morpeko, and Professor's Research. Epic. Very epic. So, we only got a single shiny in that tin, but I don't mind that. I like shiny Pokemon, I'll gladly take them. Yeah. Monzarude. You. Oh, yeah. Oh. There was the second sock. Starting to begin that the Hydreigon, high outgoing coin is just much more rarer. Because goodness gracious, is there a lot of Mewtwo? There's a lot. Why is there so many Mewtwo coins? Will we get an error pack? Oh, take that out. Nope, everything seems just fine. We don't seem to have like an extra energy or anything. Right, Eldegoss. Whoops, sorry about that. Dartrix. Gym Trainer, Horsey. Another Snom for my collection, thank you. Cacnea, Chewtle. Hey, look at that. Very pretty. Galarian Rapidash. And, hey, a Frostmoth. Frostmoth is a pretty good card in Water-type decks. I'm not playing a Water-type deck, but, you know, if I ever wanted to, I have a Frostmoth. And plus, it evolves from Snom. And I want the Snoms. I have a shiny Snom as well. I believe I have a shiny Japanese Snom. The funny thing is that Snom's not even like my favorite Pokemon or anything. I just like the fact that it has a butt for a mouth. Alright. Last pack. Dragapult, will you bring us anything good? Goodness me. Yeah, stuck on a card. Alright then. There we go. Aha. You thought you can trick me, didn't you? Alright. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we have anything good in this one. Up, Q-Vent, Grookey. Another shiny Pokemon. Another shiny Pokemon. Yanma. Up, Trapinch. Ha! Rotom. Last card, and it is Yanmega. Alright, so that was part 2. Not bad. Not bad. Both parts were pretty cool. Check out part 1 if you never did. I recommend it. Alright, I am exhausted. I'm leaving. See ya. Goodbye.